In light of the recent disaster at the Francis Scott Key Bridge in Baltimore, we are taking a closer look at the Mario Cuomo Bridge. Unlike the Francis Scott Key Bridge, the Mario Cuomo Bridge does not span major shipping lanes, but does service hundreds of thousands of commuters every day, including students here at Masters. The Francis Scott Key Bridge was crucial to the city of Baltimore and caused major disruptions to the flow of traffic and to the shipping lanes when it collapsed. The Mario Cuomo Bridge opened to traffic in 2018, replacing the Tappan Zee Bridge, which opened first to passenger traffic in 1955. The bridge connects Nyack, New York on the western shore of the Hudson River to Tarrytown, New York on the eastern shore of the Hudson River, serving roughly 140,000 vehicles per day. The bridge cost roughly $3.9 billion to construct over the course of 7 years. This was a huge sum of money, but it was necessary to replace the old Tappan Zee Bridge, which was over a decade overdue for major repairs. Bridge construction on the original Tappan Zee Bridge began in 1952 and did not have any of the safety features that modern bridges have today. To address the bridge's advanced safety features, TBN talked to our very own Mr. John Chiodo, Director of Innovation, Engineering, and Computer Science at Masters.
And technologically speaking, it's probably the most advanced bridge that currently exists in the United States. I mean, very highly engineered, very over-engineered. I mean, a lot of people who don't even know that much about the bridge don't know that it was designed not only to carry the two sides of traffic, but to have a rail line run in between. So clearly the foundation and all of the supports were designed for carrying far more weight than it does right now. All of the sensors are all wired up and they go to the Department of Transportation in Albany, who's directly connected to the local authorities should anything go wrong. But with the sensors, they can tell how much weight is on the bridge, how that weight is changing across the span. They can even tell how much the bridge moves in any gust of wind. It also measures horizontal forces. There's an awful lot that they know about without even walking out onto the bridge. Additionally, the caissons have kind of something along the line of fenders built around them, basically to deflect any oncoming boat traffic. Well, just like every other bridge in the U.S. highway system, it's inspected every 2 years. And they are using traditional methods. They're actually using ultrasound on parts of the bridge to make sure that there are no flaws and there are no cracks in it. So they can actually test any one of the over 1 million bolts that are holding that bridge together, as well as all the plates and the structural members.
The Mario Cuomo Bridge is extremely safe and you should have no reason to worry. Being only 5.8 miles from our school, make sure to appreciate both the beauty and functionality that it provides.